All right, everyone, so welcome to Sour Horsepower, and today what we're going to be doing is putting a muffler replacement on my brother's 2018 Ram Power Wagon. So he ordered I guess it's a third-party muffler, so it's got a Magnaflow muffler with some pipes actually welded onto it to allow it to fit the Power Wagon. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that real quick. All right, so as you can see here, this is just a standard Magnaflow muffler. And what this company, you said it's Mufflex? Mufflex. I'll put the link in the description and pull up a little page right here. But it has pipes welded on at the front and the back to allow it to bolt up underneath the Power Wagon. So he's already started getting the stock exhaust off. I'm not going to show you guys all the how-to stuff. But what we're going to be doing is we'll get the stock exhaust off. Well, actually, before we do that, I'm going to go ahead and put some clips in from his truck on the stock exhaust, which I filmed a couple months ago in preparation for this video. So go ahead and watch them now. All right, welcome back. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get the stock exhaust off. So we're going to run no exhaust after the cats, and then we'll get some sound clips of that. And then once that's done, we will go ahead and put the Magnaflow muffler on, and then we'll do our full suite of sound tests with that. So stay tuned. All right, everyone. So as you can see, we now have the stock muffler off, which is absolutely humongous. And here's what we're replacing it with. So here is a little Magnaflow muffler. The pieces welded on to match, so this would line up with the factory mounts for the front of it. And then coming to the back, you can see how they offset the pipe, because inside the stock muffler it offsets the exit, so they added this pipe here welded in to offset. But the size difference, we got my brother's got a little tape measure here. So the stock muffler is 28 inches compared to 14. So literally half the size lengthwise, and at least half the size widthwise. So that's 1 foot, so 12 inches and 6 inches. So yeah, it's literally half the size of the stock muffler. So what we're going to do now, since we have the stock muffler off, all we have on here, it's completely open after the cats. I'm not sure if you can see it, probably not. But we're going to go ahead and fire this up, and we're going to pull it out of the garage here, so that way we're not, breathing in all the fumes. And then we'll do some revving and stuff outside. All right, so just got the new muffler put on. Old one, so long, we don't need you anymore. So it didn't take too long, just a couple clamps, a couple grommets with the hangers. But let's see if we can sneak a peek. Yeah, there she is. So let's go ahead and fire this thing up and see how good she sounds. So as you could probably see, we did maintain the rear resonator on the back, but first impressions, what do you think?
I like it. It's a lot deeper than what it was, and I was just going for a little bit more noise, a little bit more rumble than, loud, obnoxious droning.
Yeah. So it definitely, it's definitely louder than stock. Once the truck warms up a little bit, we will go ahead and do some revving and stuff, and then we'll head out on the road and do some flybys to see how it really sounds. But yeah, let's wait for it to warm up. So we are heading back towards the house, and just wanted to give you guys, I forgot to film my outro with my brother before I left him, but overall fairly easy install, nothing too complicated, just, you know, a couple hangers, a couple clamps, and it was in. I would say that it was not as loud as he was hoping. It's definitely noticeably louder than stock, obviously. But I think what he wants to, or what he was talking about doing, was potentially removing the rear resonator as well, hoping that that gets a little bit more sound out of it. But yeah, overall, great quality product, fit perfectly. The hangers lined up perfectly. Everything went together as advertised. So that was a pretty fairly easy install with a relatively good outcome. So if you stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you like what we have. Like this video if you did like it, comment below your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.